Alright, so this is the first video.
Very great time, amazing time. We had a little competition.
So you're going to pass to the camera to collect any items you would like to discard.
Got myself inside all this tension. I'm feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe.
The first. Like, think about that. Think about that. It's the first, like number one. So, I'm Melissa. I'm so pleased to meet you guys. You guys are going to be meeting Donovan very soon. But this is our page. So, for today, I'm going to be showing you how to get this. You know, get this luxurious film. You see the curl pattern and the shine. Oh, killer. I'm going to show y'all how to get this nice curly fro with minimal, promise you it's minimal effort, minimal work. And I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm not gonna talk too much, so let's just hop right into it, guys. All right, so here we go. This is my hair in its current state. Just want y'all to see all of that. So what I like to do with my hair is in this state, has not been washed or like, I took this off and nothing happened. Like, it's off. This is what was holding my hair up. It's off. Nothing happened. So that's my boyfriend. Yeah. I can barely pull my hair apart. As you can see, I might as well just have dreads at this point. Like, with my hair looking like this, I might as well just get some dreads. So and it's flaking a lot. It's very flaky. Like, there's a lot of gel and dried up everything in my hair. Never tried this particular product before. The one that I usually use is the Aussie Moist. I'll still put that in there, but today I'm gonna be using this. So, okay. First things first, I smell it. It smells good. What I typically do is I'll take a hair tie and I'll just put my hair in half. Ooh, yeah, you're gonna hear a lot of breakage. Kind of this one. Separating. Oh, separating. Okay, cool. And depending on how much hair you have, you know, just want to put this in a little ponytail. If your hair can't go in a ponytail, I would suggest using a hair clip. Maybe even hairpins.
Yeah, so you just want to put your hair into sections. That's basically what I'm doing right here.
My theory, my motto is like, if it breaks off, it wasn't supposed to be there in the first place. So
Make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
When I say y'all gonna see some knots, woo, this one right here, knots in the video, man, just straight knots.
let's get started. So I bought this today for the first time. This is Maui Moisture. It is vegan, it is eco-friendly, it has pure coconut water and pure aloe vera juice. So that's very interesting. This is for dry hair. Yeah, I actually bought this at Rite Aid. Unfortunately, all the beauty supply stores in my area was closed. So you can already see that it's starting to change form a little bit. So I'll add like this much to a section at a time. Like so that I added in that much just now. I emulsified in my hands. There it is. I like to do this pulling motion first because it detangles, like when you do that. When you, all the little curlies that needs to get out your head will get out your head. So this is why I condition my hair first as opposed to just hopping in the shower with my hair like this because that's a battle that I'm gonna lose every single time. As you can see, my hair has a bit of length to it now. It's starting, this is actually pretty good for a conditioner. I was not expecting this. So yeah, has some nice curl definition going on, added some weight to my hair. So this is pretty good. All right, boom. To do is I separate it into two and get a nice twist going on. So twisting, 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 and get that going, right? All right, boom. I love doing twists. You'll see the curl pattern, right? Now I have other stuff to do in the meantime, but this is the amount of fallout that I had. Nice little hair ball. There's definitely going to be more. There's way more. I am only going to let this sit because I have responsibilities. I have to feed Donna. So, and hello. Alright, hi guys. So this is actually the next day. I did not end up washing my hair last night. I did a lot. So I decided, you know what? I'm gonna just do this today. So alright, let's get started. I already put all the things that you guys would need for the entire video. So at this part we're gonna be using, oh, this feel like fur. Oh, let me stop before y'all think I'm broke. Anyways, yeah, so I like to use a t-shirt. What I like to do is I take the twist out. That's why I love twists too, because they come out so easy. Just take this first section, divide it. There we go. You see all that? Now we're gonna twist this up. Alright, so we're gonna split this in two. Feel me? I hope you guys can see the sections, the size of the sections, and then we just want to roll here. All right, so first things first, Creme Argan oil. Shake it. You gotta shake it. So okay, once you shake it, I don't even know how many sprays I do, so I'm gonna count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bar. Okay. Yeah. I have a big knot right here. It's like I could literally, yeah. And that's without looking, and I can feel it. I know it's there. I use about this much coconut oil, as I know. It's and everything. Then we got our boom, easy comb. Fine. But you use the Cantu before the easy comb and after the coconut oil. So yeah, don't forget that step, guys. Very important. Now I have my diamond brush. Alright, pretty sure this is as tangled as this is gonna get. So, told y'all I love twists. So I twist my hair to be braided. So that means having 12 twists in total on each side. I can't wait for the other videos that I have for y'all to show y'all how I cut my ends. How there's just so much to show y'all. Sorry guys, I got really focused on my anime at this part. I was supposed to get a close-up of what I'm doing in this section, but basically what I do for the entire head, I take 3 twists, I braid the twist, leave about 1 inch, and then just twist the rest of it. Like, you'll see in the next segment what that looks like. Next product is this. Is it gonna look same? This is
all over myself. And just gonna wait for these to dry. This is the hair that I shed from the washing process. So I shed this ball of hair. How much, but I don't know. This is after like 3-4 weeks of not washing my hair though. This much, so. Right, hey guys, welcome back. So we're just gonna be taking these twists out. So let's do this. Usually I get some type of, not really. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't get any type of oil or nothing. Sometimes I do, but that's kind of far. And there's other days that has been kind of far. So, oh yeah. So these are twisted at the ends. So what I do is I just like unravel the twist, pull it apart, and then once the twist is apart, like that's a twist section, that's how you get to the braid. This is the 2-in-1. Take that out and then I just pull. And like that's literally it. Like that's how easy it is to take out these braids, and that's why I only braid my hair once it's twisted. Last one. All right. So boom. Now all the twists are out of the braids. Like you can see the luster in my hair. Like you can see how shiny, how healthy. Oh yeah, start with the bottom too. I go all the way to the root, and I just put your thumb in between and just pull down. And that's all you have to do, and you just keep doing that. Alright, so at this point, all your twists should be unraveled. I'm gonna go get my other battery. Now you can start like just putting your thumbs through your twists. Just naturally, like you want to separate where you feel your hair just naturally separating. Oh, and there's no gel in my hair whatsoever. This is just like allowing your hair to fully dry with the products that I use, and all I was really saying here is that since there's no gel, there's no flakes. So, you know, give this a try. All right, so here's a pick. And you just want to fluff it out. Fluff it out. Just fluff it. Fluff it. Just, ooh, kill them. Just kill them. I mean, when I say new, I mean I have not been using it since high school. Were the Maui products. And I'm fond of them. I'm pretty sure, like I like to switch it up, and then whenever I switch it up, if I really like that product, I'll keep using it. You know, it's not like a gamble, like in every 5 seconds you change it, because then you never know if it actually works in your hair. I'm looking at the screen, I have to get used to looking at y'all. But this is basically the finished product. I used to have, I just recently moved here with my boyfriend. So in my old house, we used to have, in my mom's house, I used to have a mirror here so I would be able to see the back of my head. But since we don't have that set up here, I'm working on it. But we don't have it yet. You know, you just want to like get you another mirror and just make sure that because you put your hair in half, the half like split still might be there. So what I like to do is I like to like lift this part up, tease it a bit so that it'll cover that middle section, and you know, kind of just go about it that way. But here, okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, my name is Melissa. I'm so excited to have you guys watching this channel. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you've tried the product, how you feel about it. You know, we could be friends, man. We could figure this out together. So I just want to thank you guys so much. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends about it. I know the struggles. I know how y'all be feeling. If you want me to make this more detailed, let me know. I'm gonna be updating my hair process. I'm gonna be updating the foods that I eat, if I've been exercising or not, and we just gonna figure this out together. I thank you guys so much for watching.